So today we're gonna see an activity about programming introduction. We're gonna do some examples. We're gonna start with to know the objectives of this activity. So the goal of this activity is to develop critical thinking skills and organize sequential events in their logical order. Practice communicating ideas through codes and symbols. So a sequence is the order of the commands in a program. Okay, it's because the computer follows commands in exactly the order they are written. So to understand this, we're gonna do an activity that is called move the mouse to eat the cheese. So we're gonna use these actions that it's forward, backward, turn right, or turn left. We will see with examples will be better to understand. So this is the first example. Here in the top, you can see here, I have here the actions that we're gonna set to the mouse. So the first step is see the path that the mouse need to do to get the cheese. So we're gonna divide it into squares, as you can see here. So the solution will be the first one. It's obvious that we need to go forward, but the mouse is gonna go forward but one step. Okay, so to get the cheese, I need to set in the solution 2 times forward to move to each square. So in this case, we'll be forward here again and get the cheese. Okay, we're gonna do a second example. For example, this one. So remember that we need to set the squares just in your head, and we're gonna move forward, and then the mouse stay here. Got it? But obviously the mouse is facing this side, but we need to get the cheese. So we need to turn right. When we turn right, we're saying to the mouse to turn in exactly the same spot. The mouse is not gonna move, okay? And then facing the cheese, you're gonna move forward one more time, okay, to have the cheese. Okay, remember when you turn right or you turn to the left, you're gonna turn in the same spot. If you need to move to another square, you need to use or forward or backward. We're gonna do another version. Stop the video if you can do it by yourself. If you wanna do it by yourself. Okay, remember the first step is see the path of the mouse into squares, okay? So the solution can be turn to left. So the mouse, if you turn left, the mouse will be facing this side. Then go forward, so the mouse will be here. Then turn to left again. What happened in this case? You need to think in the position of the mouse. For example, in this position, the right side of the mouse is this one, and the left side is this one. So in this case, the right side of the mouse will be this one, and the left side is this one. So just keep in mind you need to think in the left or the right in the mouse position. So then you're gonna turn again to the left facing the cheese. Then you're gonna go forward, so you're gonna stay here and then forward again to get the cheese. Okay? You can have many answers. You can have many solutions to the same problem. So this one, it's another solution. It's go backwards. So backwards in the mouse position. So backwards is here. Then you can turn to left. Turn to left so the mouse is facing this side. Then go forward forward, but in the mouse position, remember, so forward would be here, and you are here, the mouse is there. Then you're gonna turn again to the left, the mouse will be seen here, facing the cheese, and then go forward and you get the cheese. Okay, so in this case, this problem have any problem can have many solutions. You're gonna choose the option with less steps, okay, as you can. So think about this problem, okay? Stop the video and try to resolve it. So the solution will be this one. So you're gonna go forward, forward, turn to right, so facing this side, forward and forward again, so forward and forward again. So you get the cheese. So think in this one, think a moment, stop the video and think in the solution. So the solution is 3 times forward. We're gonna do this one, 3 times forward. So forward, forward, forward. Then we're gonna turn right, okay? So turn right, so it's facing this side, then forward again. So you will be stay here. Then turn to the right again, facing the cheese, and then go forward. So, and then you're gonna get the cheese. We're gonna do the last example. So pay attention to this one. Same thing, stop the video if you want to get the solution. The solution is this one. We're gonna follow step by step to understand. So turn left. Now the mouse is facing this wall. Now when you turn to the left, the mouse is facing this side. Then you're gonna go forward. So the mouse is in this position. So then turn to the right. So the mouse will be facing this part. So go forward. Then we're gonna turn left. So see in this side, then forward. The mouse is here. Then turn to right. Turn to right. Remember, you need to think in the mouse position. Okay, now the mouse is in this position, facing here, facing this wall. And if you turn to right, so this is the right side of the mouse. And this is the left side of the mouse. So turn to right, turn to the right, facing this side, and then you're gonna go forward 2 times. Forward and forward. I hope you enjoy it. Practice. This is practice. Try to practice many times as you can. And see you next time.